What's going on, Tony Ronys? It's your boy, Tony. I'm gonna be making some clam dip. Let me say that again. I'm gonna be making some clam dip. As you can see, we got the Philadelphia cream cheese. I got 2 packs of these bad boys. Oh, and I also got 2 cans of clams. Minced. Was that minced? Or chopped?
They're chopped.
Chopped? Okay. Alright, you got your cream cheese and you got your clam dip. And I'll show y'all what else I got to add to this, okay?
Soften the cream cheese.
What else?
You gotta make sure you soften the cream cheese.
Oh yeah. You wanna, once you put this in, you wanna get your spoon or your fork and start creaming away. Hit that like button for your boy. Spoon.
I don't know where on the big spoon.
Yeah, definitely need new. We got to go to the dollar store and get some silverware. Like when you got kids, your silverware disappears. We have we have silverware, just not as much as we used to have. Alright. So, you get all your cream cheese. And you want to try to mix it up best you can. I had left it out the refrigerator for
30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah, and it's a lot easier to do if you do it like that than trying to do it straight out the refrigerator. So, get at a good old mix. Alright. I got both the clams open. You want to drain them, okay? Drain the juice, okay? We're going to dump these bad boys in. Get all those clams. I actually love this dip. This is really good. Now what I do, get all these little black pieces I see out of there. You rarely see them, but if you do, just pick them out, okay? Next step. You got your Worcestershire sauce, okay? Worcestershire. What's that? Worcestershire?
I don't know. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce, okay? Y'all know I can't talk properly anyway, so I'm trying to pronounce that. Alright. Add your Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit. And you got your Old Bay. You put some Old Bay. Alright, maybe a little bit more. Alright, now we just gonna get this bad boy a good mix. There you go. I keep forgetting what it's called.
Clam dip.
Clam dip. I keep forgetting. All right, y'all. There you go.
And you can make it with shrimp.
Yeah, you can do substitute the clams with the shrimps, and there you go. This is Tony's clam dip. You absolutely gotta try it. Trust me. You know what? I'm gonna do a taste test.
I was going to say, you want to grab your chips.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab my chips. So, got the good old Doritos. What's this? Cool Ranch Doritos. Oh yeah. Let me get a nice big chip. If I can find one. Alright, here you go. Of course it breaks. Cool. It breaks. You got
Use the spoon.
damn it. Alright, I got it. Here you go. Alright, clam dip, okay? Really good. Trust me. Y'all know when I get dancing, it's banging. It's really good, man. Try this dip. Hey, look. I'm gonna make some crab cakes and some shrimps in a minute. So I'll probably record that. I'll see you in a minute.